Hello my friends, today I'm going to talk about an application called Tinker Tools. Tinker Tools is a free application that allows you to activate hidden features in your operating system, activate additional preferences in your macOS. In normal cases, you can do all of these settings but using terminal commands. You have to write these commands and proceed to do these things. This app is small in size, but it gives you many options. Let's start by downloading the application. Just go to the download page and press download. Allow. Now you have the application. Agree. Copy the app into your desktop. Let's explore this app and its settings. I will select the most important from my point of view. Here you will find the app divided by categories. Every category includes many options. You can explore them and apply them just by ticking this space, this square, and relaunch Finder, for example, and so on. And you can remove these settings just by removing this tick and relaunch the Finder again. Okay? Please take care while you applying these settings. They are all fine, but take care. Now I will highlight some of these important settings. For example, under Finder category, you can show and hide system files very easily. We can test that by open Finder, then your hard disk and user folder. Here you will see the visible files just by ticking here and relaunch Finder. You will see that the hidden folders appear on your desktop and in your system, but take care, these are the system files. To get everything back to its normal, just remove the tick and relaunch Finder again. They will disappear again. Okay. Also, you can show the selected path in your window title. If I open any folder, I will see its path here. Okay. I can remove this tick to get that disappear. Under the dock category, there are many options here, but I think this one is very helpful. Adding spaces, either one big space or half space between the icons of your dock, just by ticking here or here and select the app you want to add the space after it. Let's examine or test Launchpad and insert the space. Now you see a space here. Okay, if you find this space is too large, you can decrease its size. Under the Launchpad category, also there are many options, but I think the most interesting is that you can change its layout. If we open the Launchpad, we will find it as like that. We can change this order by choosing 3x3, 3x4, and so on. Let's test any one. 3x5 or 3x3. Okay, apply now. Let's open the Launchpad. In the general category, here you will find an interesting option. When in normal cases, when you take a screenshot on your MacBook, your Mac save it as PNG graph. Okay, you can change this to be any other file format. Under desktop category, if the crash reports are annoying, you can disable it. Okay, and so on. There are many other options. You can explore other options under applications and folders, and for smoothing the appearance, you can change your MacBook look to be dark mode, but leave these apps on the light mode, and this is a very interesting option. Also, there are many options under Safari. Finally, If you want to reset everything to its default just by pressing reset and reset to default. Any problem while applying any of my tutorials, please go to my website itech4mac.net, where we can directly chat. Also, you can send to me any message. Thank you for watching. Please like and share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.